As you guys can see, this is a new background for my video because I'm not home. I'm in the south of Georgia. So what I had on hand was travel size shampoo, and I also packed travel size conditioner. But what I forgot was a leave-in conditioner. So I did find in the house like the Cantu leave-in conditioner. So I went ahead and used that before I started. So the reason behind me buying the Design Essentials curling cream was because I thought I packed the shampoo and the conditioner. So I'm like, oh, let me just try the curling cream to match everything up, until I realized it wasn't the conditioner that I bought. But it's a new product, so why not give it a try? So I actually didn't have a stand to put my camera on, but I did want to show you guys the final look of the braid out, and here it is. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Go ahead and subscribe if you're not, and stay tuned for more videos to come. Bye!